Namaste friends, welcome to YogaCandi. My name's Candace and today I have yoga for your lunch break. So this is why I have a prop of a chair, so you can always grab your office chair or something. It's going to come in handy for today's class. It's only going to be nice and quick, so don't worry, it's not going to take up your whole lunch break. But start off in a comfortable seat. You can even be seated in your office chair. And we're going to do some gentle breathing to help with some relaxation. This is alternate nostril breathing. So take your middle finger and your index finger to your third eye. And then you've got your ring finger and your baby finger free, and those two are going to close off the left nostril. Your thumb is going to close off the right nostril. So every inhale is going to go in through the left nostril. Every exhale is going to come through the right nostril. Okay, so feel free to blow your nose, clear the airways before we begin. So let's begin when you're ready. Sit up nice and tall through the spine, suck in the abdomen. Take your two fingers, the index and the middle, to your third eye. Take a deep inhale through both nostrils to begin. And then exhale, release out both nostrils. One more time, inhale through both. Now close off the left, exhale through right. Close right, inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Keep doing this. Let's take a round of 5 at your own time, in your own pace. Inhaling left, exhaling right. Take one more, inhaling through the left. Exhale right. Now release your hand, keep your eyes closed, and let's take some nice deep inhales and exhales in and out of the nostrils. Once you've finished your last breath, you can open your eyes, and we're just going to do some circles with the body. So you can either sit on the floor in a cross-legged position or stay in your chair, but sit forward on your perch so that you've got some space. We're going to inhale as we roll forward, exhale as we arch backwards, pulling the shoulder blades apart. Keep doing this in one direction, rolling through the spine. Imagine you're a coffee grinder. Take one more and go in the opposite direction. Try to keep your sit bones grounded on the ground or on the seat. Take one more circle and release. Now come out of your seat. If you're seated in your chair, come behind the chair, and we're going to place our hands onto the back of the chair. Lean forward, so make sure that your body is in a 90-degree angle to the ground. We're going to lift up through the left leg. Now hold this, suck in your belly, and start to bounce that leg up and down. Nice fast pace. Keep your hips squared with the ground. So both hips are facing towards the ground. Keep bouncing and then start to turn the leg in little circles in one direction. Or you can do really big circles, whatever feels good for your body. And then in the opposite direction. And now lift, and now lift that leg up high. Exhale it to the chest. Inhale, lift. Exhale to chest. Inhale, lift. Exhale, chest. And release that leg, walk on forward, give the body a little shake out. And now you can use your chair again. We're going to lift up through the left leg once again. We're going to open it out to a 90-degree angle and start to bend through the standing leg, coming in for a standing pigeon. Now you can hold onto the back of your chair, or you can bring your forearms down to the shin of the left leg. I'll face you so you can see what I'm doing. So you're opening up and you're keeping this foot engaged as well of the left leg. Don't forget you can hold onto your chair if you want to. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Very slowly release that leg. Come back to standing. Give that standing leg a good shake out. And we're going to repeat that on the other side. So taking a nice long stance with the body, with the arms. Let's lift up through the right leg. Start to bounce the right leg up and down. Keeping those hips squared with the ground, we're going to start to make little circles or big circles. It's totally up to you. And then in the opposite direction. And then exhale to chest. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, chest. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, chest. Inhale, straighten. Release the legs, give your body a little shake out. Shake the hands, shake the legs. We're going to come into our standing pigeon once again. You can always hold onto the back of the chair. We're going to open up through the right leg. Start to bend through the left and place that right shin onto the left leg. You can always just come down, resting your forearms onto the back of the chair. Or take the forearms down to the shin. Wherever you are, let's take 3 deep breaths, keeping the foot of this right foot nice and engaged. And release. Give those legs a nice shake out once again. And bring your hands to your chair. Just start to bend through the arms, allowing your head to sink nice and heavy. Bend your knees as much as you need to. Opening up through the shoulders. You can start to get a little deeper if you want to, moving the legs slightly back and just sinking more and more down towards the ground. Now release the chair and take your fingertips to the ground. You can always hang heavy, bending the knees as much as needed. You can hold from elbow to elbow, allowing the neck to be soft. Inhale, halfway lift, look up. Exhale, fold a little deeper. Now inhale, hands all the way to the sky. Look at the palms as they touch. Exhale, bend over towards the left side of the room, using the left hand to pull the right hand down towards the ground and back to center. Now bend over towards the right side and inhale back to center. Rotate the palms to face the sky, look up, inhale, and take your hands to the sacrum. So not to the lower spine, but to that harder part of the back, or even just to the hips. And then we're going to take a mini back bend, sending the hips forward, inhaling the chest up to the sky, looking up. Exhale, come on back to standing. Take the hands out in front of you, give them a little stretch, pulling the fingertips towards the body. Pointing them down towards the floor, then pulling them towards the body in the opposite direction. Give the whole body a quick shake out. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this practice. I hope it made your body feel a little good. If it did, give it a thumbs up to save the video for quicker access next time you want to use it. So if you want to find me, you can always take a look at all my links down in the description. Find me on Instagram and Facebook, and maybe connect with me on YogaCandi.com. So until next time, everybody, namaste.